Reggae interviews. Word sound power.
Okay. DJ 745 here, Reggae Jam 2022, the debut performances of Mortimer in Europe. Welcome.
Give thanks, and thanks for having me. It's nice being here, you know.
Well, it's been a long time coming because I know that you were scheduled to come here in 2020, the year that we all want to forget, but we give thanks that you're here, 2022.
Yeah, we give thanks, man, you know? Yeah.
What's your first impressions of Europe coming into a different continent?
Well, it's beautiful, I must say that, you know. It's my first time being out of Jamaica, period. You know what I mean? So, you know, I find Europe very clean and beautiful. Yeah, you know, much unlike Jamaica, you know, but you don't know. Yeah, man, it's nice here and the people are warm here too, you know. I appreciate the vibes and things same way. Yeah.
So it's a good vibe so far.
Yes, man, it has been a great vibe so far.
Yeah. Tell the viewers where we're going to see Mortimer next over in Europe, because I know that, you know, this trip is involving lots of other things as well. So give the viewers a little bit of an insight where we're going to see Mortimer.
Well, we have Fabric, that's it. We have Reggae Gill left too. Yeah, I think anything else? I'm not sure. Yeah, but you know, we have a couple things left before we leave. You know, so we're there. Mm-hmm. Yeah, give thanks.
Now, your performance today here on the Sunday, this is the closing day of Reggae Jam 2022, was just up. That's the only way I can put it. So many people that I've been talking to over the last few days, they're saying, yeah, we want to see Mortimer. We want to see Mortimer. And you definitely delivered with the band.
Jano. I give Jah thanks and praise.
There's no running away. Don't you ever get it just a little bit twisted, okay? And growing anti-trade, still I say it's the key and free the words and that is say. Read for yourself, not take what anybody say. And don't make no mistake, this battle that you fight is real, so check your proper stay, oh yeah. I'm here to warn you, my friend. Listen what the most I say. See bye. That's the small voice that's inside of your head. Listen what the most I say. Oh, I'm here to warn you, my friend.
Thanks to everybody for the energy. Really appreciate the good vibes, you know what I mean? I really appreciate the support over the years too. You know, I know I haven't released a whole lot of music, you know, but you know, there are people who have been rocking with us from so far. Thanks to my brothers too, who helped to make this possible as well, you know what I mean? My band and my management and thing, you know what I mean? So yeah, man, and just everybody who has been on the journey with us so far, I give thanks. Yeah, man.
Yeah, I think you're right. It does take a whole team to make this work.
For sure. It's not a one-man army.
True.
Yeah.
Now, the last time when we spoke, which was over in Jamaica, was a few months after you had released the debut album. And that is still something that is still on heavy rotation across DJs' playlists across the world. What's your response? How do you feel that album is doing so far for Mortimer?
Yeah, it was an EP. It was my first EP. And, you know, it's been doing well, you know what I mean? People been loving it, people been responding well to it, you know, and I give thanks for that, because the whole purpose of my music is just to encourage and to uplift, you know what I mean? Like at the end of the day, like we don't make music for no other reason than to uplift, man, you understand? So you don't know, we give thanks for the reception that it's been getting so far, and you know what I mean, this opportunity to be able to share the music with on a bigger scale, on, you know what I mean, on a stage like this in Europe is really great, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Yeah, I'm working on my album. Okay. No, we actually finished. It's in the mastering process now, so it should be out soon.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I know that you've blessed us with a great single on the Winta James rhythm, Juggling, the Gratitude rhythm. Yeah. Is that a kind of a taste or feel of what we have to come for the new album?
No, the album is a little different from that. Okay. You know, still roots same way, but you don't know. That's a little different from that, you know. But yeah, that was the last thing we released with Overstand. I don't know, we had Samurai on that rhythm as well. Naomi Korn, Rasai, Kumar as well. You don't know, so yeah, it was a nice juggling still. Yeah, man.
And there was a wicked launch night to that as well at Dubwise Jamaica.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
was good. It was good.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we have some new music cooking in the form of a new album. Is it too early to be talking of dates and titles and things?
Well,
what are you hoping to? When are you hoping to?
when was I hoping to?
Okay.
when were you hoping to? Because we had planned for some months ago, but that didn't go. You know what I mean? So like, I prefer to just keep it on a level so that when it comes out, it just comes out. You know, rather than disappointing everybody when. Okay. Yeah.
So when it comes, the world's gonna know about it, right?
Yeah, man, for sure. Yeah, man.
What's the last 2 years? I know has been quite challenging for everyone in the world, but for you personally, how did you spend that time?
Yeah, well, you don't know. First of all, I want to big up everybody who made it through that time. It was a hard time for everybody across the world, you know. And at first, I was in a little funk about it too, you know, probably selfishly so, you know, until I really took stock of how many people were going through a lot worse than I was going through possibly too, you know what I mean? And everybody was facing it, you know, because I was looking forward to tour and all of them things then, you know, I was disappointed, you know, but you don't know. We spend the time now, I spend my time with family, you know. I have 4 kids at home, so like I spend a lot of time with them and my wife at home too and thing. Just spending time watching them develop and grow, teaching them the right things in life, working on music, working on the album with Winta and thing, you know what I mean? So, and we got a lot of work done. Those 2 years were very productive for me. So yeah, man, I give thanks for that, for sure, yeah.
I mean, the way I see it is that I think that over the next 12 to 18 months, we're going to just keep seeing lots and lots of great music from that time when artists were not able to travel. And I know that everyone's been cooking up some great things in the studio.
Yeah, well, I hope so, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, but for me personally, still, it's been joyous working with Winta, you know what I mean, on this project and thing. It's really special to me personally, you know what I mean. So I hope that transcends to, you know, each and every heart. Yeah, man, for sure.
All right, well, look, Mortimer, I want to really give thanks for seeing you here over in Europe as well. And we're going to look forward to the new project. A message to all the people that are watching today.
Yeah, keep loving, keep feeling, keep fighting, that's all, you know, yeah.
All right, Mortimer, one love, bless.
Thank you, man, appreciate it.
Bless.
Reggae interviews. Word sound power.